Okay, so camera was messing up, but I got one vermillion already, so we're good to go. Let's get some more. T.will-fish. I know y'all missed me, but we are back. We got another fishing trip for y'all today. We're on the Caviler today at a Galveston Party Boat. It's beautiful out here today, guys. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish today. We are out of season for red snapper, but we got vermillion snapper, mangrove snapper, lane snapper, all different kinds of species that we can catch today. We're gonna get into it, man. Y'all stay tuned today. We are getting close to the spot. We went from 45 or 35 miles per hour to 20, so I guess we're kind of getting close, I guess. Today, for my bait of choice, I've got dead shrimp and blue crab. Why I decided to do that and not use their squid, I don't really know, but just everybody's kind of starting to move around here and get ready. Should be a pretty fun deal. I think we're about 130, 120 feet of water down there, but I got a 100-pound line, 50-pound mono main line, so we'll see if we can get into some fish, man. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, so just threw back a red snapper. Let's see if I try to get a vermillion. All right, boys, drop it back down. I think your bait might be gone, brother. Yeah, gotta be. You've been down there for a while. I missed one. Still got bait. That biting my shrimp soon as they hit the bottom. Try it again, boys. Got your knife on you? Right now, we are moving spots. First spot had a lot of big red snapper on them, and they're not in season right now. One guy did catch a nice scamp ripper though. That was nice. Right now we're just chilling. The dead shrimp seems to be working really good for me. I was getting bit while a lot of people next to me were getting bit on squid. So, see what we can do, y'all. Like I said, I got one vermillion snapper right now, trying to get some more, so stay tuned. All right, guys, just put up to the new spot, about to drop here in a second, waiting on them to anchor. Everybody's got their baits ready to drop on both sides. See what we can do. It's in about 165 feet of water. All right. Just got to go ahead to drop, so we're about to drop. Just gonna thumb it down all the way to the bottom. He's got one right next to me already. Getting bit. I've got something. I think I might have a beeliner. Don't fight very hard. It's getting heavier. Hey, beeliner. Get some more shrimp on, and let's get some more. That's a good one, yes sir. Red snapper, baby. Small red snapper, I think it is. That's a good vermillion, yes sir. Good vermillion. Putting them in the box, baby. You gonna book it for me? Yeah. You got a knife? Throw it back, shit, might be alright. Good to go. Living in the day. Got him. Uh-oh. Got him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shouldn't be done with my keys, but got something on y'all. This is a nice vermillion. What we got? That's a good vermillion, baby. We got on. Show me right now. Yes, sir. That's beautiful. That's what it's all about, baby. Oh, yeah. Let's buy some snaps. Yeah. Big old beeliner, baby. Yes, sir. Not doing too bad. Couple blue runners, couple beeliners. We're about to head to another spot here. It got kind of slow, so we're gonna hang to another spot. My battery died, but I got about 6 of the batteries now, so we're good to go. We're about to head to another spot here, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. We got something good here, y'all. I might just have 2 beeliners. I'll often keep it off for y'all for a second, and see if I get something big on a big piece of blue crab later. But I'm still trying to catch beeliners. Got the shrimp on still, and I think I might have hit 2. Triggerfish, baby! Ah! Look at that pretty sucker. The reason why I call them triggerfish is if you try to push down right there, it don't really go nowhere, but as soon as you hit that one, ooh, got that. Nice. All the way on the bottom. Nice little triggerfish, like a football. All right, y'all, we just made it back. It's a long trip back, but y'all know how t.will-fish does, man. We got our limit of beeliners. I think 2 blue runners and a triggerfish. So we're about to go announce all the fish so we can take them home. We're gonna go home and clean them ourselves. So that's how we're gonna do this. So let's see how this plays out. We're gonna get our fish right now. Nice little offshore trip. Lemon or vermillion. Yeah, baby. We're gonna have more stuff for y'all coming soon, man. This is a nice little treat I've been wanting to do for a long time. I got summer, but wasn't able to put a good video together for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. We'll have more stuff for y'all coming up.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 yeah. Starboard, we want a hook for this one, or we might want a hook for this one. Man, we need us a hook for this one. I think he want a hook for this one. Baby, we need a hook for this one.